coming!
Oh!
Come to Mama. Come to Mama. They're coming. You see, they listen. They're coming to me. Whoa.
Oh!
Now watch. They're going to disturb everybody.
Okay.
Hear them. Hear them.
와.
Unbelievable.
와. Yeah.
Do you remember? Here comes some more. Do you remember? Did anybody ever see Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds?
Yes.
Do you remember? You hear
Yeah,
the sound?
but that was scary. That's not what this
No,
is.
but the sound.
Yeah.
Look, there's a whole. Look, there's like a white patch out there. We really should go to the top. I'm never going to get you guys off of here. I know it. I just want to see what else is up here.
这边啊。OK。
No, no. This is good enough. Believe me.
Oh, no. So this is a once in a lifetime.
Look at them all right there. Isn't that odd? That's odd.
Yeah.
Look out there too. You know what? The last feeding. That's what they're doing. Those are little pools of water.
Oh.
That, I mean, you know, it's like where the river, you could see there's water there.
Mm-hmm.
My God. And those appear to be mostly black vultures out there and turkey vultures, guys. Stand corrected.
这个是鸟儿在做今天最后一次的
Right
捕
there,
食。
black crowned night heron. Just took to the wing. Up. We went on the back side of the.
Oh, it's coming out. He's right there. Yep.
You see him now?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh yes, right there.
Yep. He's coming out.
Black crowned night heron. Okay.
Night heron 是夜莺吗？
Right there.
应该是啊。你看到那个了吗？
看到了，看到了，灰色的。
Branch.
Look right
Uh-huh.
there.
Right to the
Oh,
right
you found
of
him
it.
or no? You don't.
Oh, he
you
just
don't
moved.
need it. No, there's another one. Oh, right here. It's the first bird before the birds go out that way. Because he's got his breeding plumes. I think he's got the ponytail. But you see, you got little blues. You have anhingas.
太爽了哈！
There's snowies in there. Tricolors. That's a night heron on the wing.
太冷了。
太冷了。
你拍张照片，我们俩。
嗯。